Hello guys, so welcome back to Spotaria YouTube channel. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial on how to show internet speed on Infinix Smart 8 easily. So if you want to know the internet speed on your phone, you can do this step. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started to the tutorial. Okay, and first thing first, you can go to settings menu on your phone like this. So here you can scroll down a little bit and you can go to display and brightness over here. And then you can scroll down till the bottom until you find about status bar menu over there. And you can click for show internet speed. And the internet speed will appear beside your Wi-Fi network or internet network like this. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on how to show internet speed on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching this video guys.